Hello students, today I am taking the last part of the integral and it is some properties of definite integrals. The first property is a to b fx dx or a to b ft dt. Means if you change the variable then the limit will remain as it is. The second property is if it is a to b fx dx and if you change the limit then it will be negative. B to a then it will be negative sign. The second property is used for the modulus function. I will be taking the example and I will be explaining you. A to b fx dx. Sometimes the function is defined differently for different interval. So a to c fx dx and c to b fx dx. Here from a to b the behavior of this fx is different at the different interval. Then we apply this property. I will be taking example and then I will be explaining you this. Now third and fourth, they are this one and the same thing. Fourth is the example, means one case study of the third one. It is a to b fx dx is a to b f a plus b minus x dx. Now here instead of ab, if it is 0 to a, then we write here 0 plus a minus x. So a minus x. And out of these properties, this is the most important property. Almost all the problems of exercise 7.9 is based on property number 4. I am taking an example from this property number 4. See, it is 0 to the value of this is say I. Then 0 to pi by 2 sine square x dx. So the first step is by P4. It is 0 to pi by 2 only, sine square only, but instead of x it will be pi by 2 minus x dx. We say this is equation number 1, and when you simplify this further, it is 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx. Say this is number 2. Now on adding first and second, if you add the first and second, what you will find, please see nicely, you will find that this is I, so I and I, it will be 2I, and here 0 to pi by 2 sine square x cos square x, sine square x plus cos square x dx. So this part will be 2I 0 to pi by 2 1 dx. And you know the integration is x and 0 to pi by 2 or 2I equals to pi by 2. So I equals to pi by 4. So the answer of this is pi by 4. So that is the meaning of this particular property. I hope you understood this nicely. I am taking the next problem now. You see the second problem. Here it is 0 to pi by 2. So by applying the same property number 4, 0 to pi by 2 root sine pi by 2 minus x. In the denominator also sine pi by 2 minus x plus cos pi by 2 minus x dx. That is the property number 4. So it is sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. This is again cos theta and this is sine theta. So by applying this property we reach to this root cos x upon root again cos x plus root sin x dx. And I am taking this is the first and this is the second, and both are I equals to. So if you study nicely on adding first and second, on adding first and second, if you add, it is 2I equals to, see the denominator is the same, so the numerator will be added. So it's 0 to pi by 2, and when you add it, it is root sin x plus root cos x dx. And here also the same thing. That is root sin x and root cos x. Please see this part. So the next part is 2I equals to 0 to pi by 2 1 dx, or 2I equals to the integration is x. So 2I is pi by 2, or I equals to pi by 4. So there are many problems which are based on this particular property, and their answer is also pi by 4 only. Sum number 3 and sum number 4, both the sums are also like this only. Only here the power is root. Root means power is half. In sum number 3 it is root, the power is 3 by 2, and in sum number 4 the power is 5. So in the same way, sum number 3 and sum number 4 will also be there. Now I am taking the problem number 5, where the modulus function is there, and it will have a different. Yes, dear students, see a problem of modulus function, and the interval is -5 to +5. We have to find the value of this. Now you all know this, that the modulus of x plus 2 is positive if it is greater than 0. And x plus 2 is greater than 0, or x is greater than -2. And it will be negative if x plus 2 is less than 0. And if you transfer to that side, it is less than -2. So here from -5 to -2 it will be negative, and from -2 to +5 it will be positive. And after this, it is a problem of the previous exercise. Still I am writing few steps. It is minus x square by 2 into 2x. And what is the limit here? -5 to -2. And here it is x square upon 2 into 2x. And here the limit is -2 to 5. And I think now it is not required to explain you that how to find this. First you have to put the value, this -2 here, and then -5. Similarly it is +5 and -2. And if you simplify this part, the answer will be 29, that we have already done in our previous problem. So here the important part is how to break this into interval. Which property I applied here? A to B is A to C and C to B. So that was the main part which I want to explain you. After this you can simplify. It is not a big part for you all. So here this is in all the modulus properties, means in all the modulus functions, we apply the property A to B fx dx equals to A to C and C to B. That particular property. So I hope now you can manage all the problems which are related to the modulus function. Yes, you see another problem based on property number 4 again. So by P4, this function will take the form, you think about what to write here. Wherever x is there, we will write 1 minus x. So it is 0 to 1, x will change to 1 minus x, then bracket 1, 1 minus x, power n dx. So next step is 0 to 1, 1 minus x, and this 1 and 1 cancelled, x power n dx. If you open the bracket, it is 0 to 1 multiply x power n minus x power n plus 1 dx. Now we integrate this part. So the integration will be x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 minus x power n plus 2 upon n plus 2, and the limit is 0 to 1. So when you put x equals to 1, the answer is 1 power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 and 1 power n plus 2 upon n plus 2. So now, and when you put 0, it will be 0 only. Yes, this part will be 0 only. So second part is 0. So 1 power any number will be 1 only. So the final answer is 1 upon n plus 1 and 1 upon n plus 2. So here there is a use of property number 4 again. As I told you that there are a lot of problems which are based on the property number 4. Similarly, the question number 9 is also based on the same property. There also it is x is there, and here it is 2 minus x power n. Instead of n, there it is 1 by 2. So in that particular problem also you can apply the same property. I am taking the next problem. See, problem number 8. This is the important sum, and this problem can be asked in the exam. As I told you, one of the important sum. 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus 10x dx. We have to find the value of this. So by P4, 0 to pi by 4 log 1, 10, and instead of x it is pi by 4 minus x. So the next step is 0 to pi by 4 log 1 upon 1 plus 10 pi by 4 minus x. That will be 1 minus 10x upon 1 plus 10x. You know about this formula of the trigonometry. So in the next step, we take the LCM. 0 to pi by 4 log. The LCM is 1 plus 10x. So it is 1 plus 10x minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 minus 10x and dx. Now this 10x and 10x cancel. So it is 1 plus 1, 2. So the next step is 0 to pi by 4 log 2 upon 1 plus 10x dx. That is I, and this is also I. Now if we add the first, say this is first and this is second. So on adding first and second, it will be 2i, and it is 0 to pi by 2. Log this plus log this. So it is log 1 plus 10x plus log 2 upon 1 plus 10x and dx. Please see this step. I am not in hurry. You know the property of the log, and by the property of the log it is 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus 10x, and this plus will convert into multiply. It is 1 plus 10x dx. So this part and this part cancel. And what you have got here? 0 to pi by 4 log 2 dx. So the integration of this is 0 to pi by 4. Integration of this is, please see the integration now. It is log 2 x and 0 to pi by 4. So the final answer 2i equals to, it is pi by 4 log 2, or the value of I is pi by 8 log 2. The final answer is pi by 8 log 2. This is one of the important sum. Please revise this sum very nicely. It can be asked in the board exam 2021. So see this problem very nicely. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.